to add a link on your Instagram bio. So in here, all you need to do is simply open your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on edit profile. So you can see the option of bio. If you simply tap on bio and paste your link right here, other people viewing your profile won't be able to go directly to that particular link if you do that. If you want them to directly tap on your link and get into that particular website or whatever link you have pasted, then what you're going to do is simply go back, and in here what you're going to do is tap on links. So after doing that, tap on add link, and in here what you're going to do is simply paste that URL right here. Then if you want to give it a title, simply give it a title just like this, tap on done. And after doing that, here you can see this has successfully been added to your bio. If you go back, you'll be able to see your link on your bio just like this. Now what people can do is simply tap on that link and they will get exactly where you want them to go. And that is it.